It's getting colder, isn't it? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest. Oh, is it? Yeah. Mr. Jimmy, you always mess up my video. Is that recorded? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Jewelry channel. I hope you all are doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest ever Buka stew or Shaki stew or even goat tribe stew. It's a tomato based stew and it is just fantastic. So if like me you like Shaki, please keep on watching this video. Leave me comments, like, also let me know how you prepare yours. I'm always very interested to know how other people cook their food, so don't hesitate to leave me comments, to share my videos, to give me thumbs up, and again to support me. Thank you all already for all your support, for your messages on Instagram, but also asking about Henry, how he's doing. He's doing perfectly well, just that he's got a little cold these days, but he's fine. So thank you all for your support and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been away for 2 weeks now. I can't believe it's been so long, but I promised I was gonna post one last video, and this is it. I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest goat tribe stew or Shaki. This is how we call it here in England. You can also call it Buka stew. It is, as usual, very easy to prepare, very tasty, especially with basmati rice or boiled yam. I'm gonna be away for a few more days or maybe weeks, but I'll be back soon. So for the meantime, please enjoy this video and let's get started. So for this stew you need, of course, Shaki or goat tribes. So this is fresh goat tribes that I've washed myself. I also have a video on how to wash it. Please go and watch it if you don't know how to do it. And for my tribes, I've got 4 fresh garlic cloves and 1 medium-sized onion. I have also got here 2 tablespoons of ginger puree. And still for my meat, I have got 1 tablespoon of beef seasoning, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 Maggi cubes, and 2 tablespoons of ground pepper. I've got here 3 sliced medium-sized onion. For my stew, I have got 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, 3 fresh garlic cloves, and 1 medium-sized onion. I am also going to use organic tomato paste. You can use tomato puree if you can't find this one. I am also using 2 cans of plum tomato with its tomato juice. And for this stew you need carrots. It goes so well with carrots. I am also going to add some Sri Lankan curry. I got it straight from Sri Lanka. Thank you, Manori. Manori is my colleague. And I am also going to add some salt to taste. So let's get started. In your blender, add the onion, the 4 garlic cloves, enough water to blend. Add the 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. You can use fresh one if you prefer, but this is quicker. And add the salt, beef seasoning, and pepper. And then blend it. You know, add about 1 liter of water. When it's blended, you can pour it on the Shaki or goat tribes. Add 1 or 2 Maggi cube stock, depending on how you like it. Okay, and that's it. Cover it and let it boil for about 20 minutes. But here I'm going to show you how it looks like after 10 minutes, and I'm just going to give it a little stir. When you finish, take it out of the stock and keep the stock aside because we are going to use it. Do not throw it away. And this is our cooked Shaki or goat tribes. Next, heat some oil, and when the oil is hot, deep fry the Shaki. So for this stew, you really must deep fry the Shaki, please. Make sure you do not burn it, and don't forget to turn them over from time to time. On to the stew. Now, Pour some oil, and this is vegetable oil as I always use, and wait until it is hot. When the oil is hot, you can add in the sliced onion, and this is 3 sliced medium-sized onions. And then stir it and let it saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we are going to blend our pepper, our onion, and our garlic with about 1 cup of stock. So this is why I asked you not to throw it away. Now blend it until very smooth. Next, you can add it to the cooking onions, stir it, and leave it to cook for about 3 minutes. We are now adding our tomato paste. So it is the full can I showed you. Now stir it. Make sure you stir it very well because tomato paste is kind of thicker than tomato puree, and leave it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you can add in the remaining stock. Okay, so this is the remaining Shaki stock, the one I cooked my goat tribes with. Add it, stir it, and then add in your tomato sauce, which is the tomato, onion, pepper, and garlic. Cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. Next, it is time to adding the fried shaki. And by the way, if you prefer to use cow tribes, please go ahead and use it, but goat ones is better. Now stir it and add the carrots. So whenever I'm preparing goat tribes stew, I only use carrots because I think it goes perfectly well with it, with nothing else. Stir it, leave it to cook for about another 20 minutes on the lowest heat possible. Then add some salt, add a bit more curry powder or hot curry powder, stir it, and now leave it for a further 5 minutes uncovered, and that's it. Voila, your goat tribe stew or Buka stew or Shaki stew is ready, and I can assure you that it is a killer. It is just fantastic. I can eat it every day, and you know, whenever I prepare this stew, it doesn't last 2 days. So this is a serving suggestion. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and make sure you try it because it is fantastically awesome. As I said, I'm gonna be gone for just a few more days or maybe a week, and then I'm gonna be back. So see you soon. Bye.